with the help of toy version a movie, The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Revenge. Oh, what the heck am I doing back here? I shouldn't be here. What the heck am I doing back here? Where? You probably remember me, you freak. She's waking up. What happened? Who are you? Don't worry, I'm the doctor. Relax. You're okay. What happened? Where's my friend? She went to go back to the slaughterhouse. What? Now I remember. That freak tried to kill us. He's probably trapped. Wake him up! Wake him up! Come on, wake up. Wake up. What happened to our other friends? I'm sorry, but one of them didn't make it. No. We're gonna get that freak. Ah. I need a gun. I can't find one. Let me check in here. Now look. Looks like we're gonna have to do this the hard way. Looks like we're gonna have to escape. What do you mean by that? We're gonna have to break her out of there and then set the place on fire. He shouldn't come back after that. Okay. Yeah. Sure, he won't come back. He won't. He won't kill us. I promise. Okay. You stay here with the doctor. If you hear me scream from the other side, because the hospital is like not too far from the slaughterhouse. If you hear something weird, come, okay? Okay. Is there electricity? Okay, good. Hi, hey, oh my god, you're alive. Yeah, my wound is still pretty bad though. Listen, I'm gonna get you out of here, okay? You guys need to find something. No. No, don't go down there. You freak, don't go down there. Come on. Hurry! He's coming! Hurry, let's go. Okay, I'm here. Oh my god. You look beat up. It was a little bit of a fight with him. Why did you... Wait. Hold on. Why do you have a tattoo on your back? Oh, why does it say Jake? You were the one who killed him? No! I just had that because... Tell me. Tell us. Because I have feelings for him and I loved him. But now he's gone. I know. It sucks. But we can't chase our fears forever. Hopefully he doesn't just come in and... Stop it! I have an idea. I'm gonna let him do something to me. Hey, you! Come on, over here. Do something to me. Oh yeah, keep doing it. Keep doing it. More. Freak. Come on, let's go. My wound. Let's go. Ugh. It's so dark in here. Hold on. Let me turn on the light. Come on. Will it turn on? Let me see. Yes, it turned on. I think I'm losing a lot of blood. I don't know if I'll live for much longer. I mean, I probably will, but they're gonna have to close up the wound. Are there stitches in here? I don't think so. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna hate you. would you go back into the room where he killed our friend, and you go and get the stitches? Okay. Yeah. Okay, come back safely. Okay, I will. I'm back. They had only 10 of them. It's okay. I only need 2. I only need 2. It's not that big, but I'm losing a lot of blood, so I'm gonna have to have stitches on me. Hopefully we can get out of this safely. I hate getting terrorized. It's just so scary. And I feel like I'm never going to find my true love ever again. I know, but I miss them. You miss who? I miss my parents. I miss my whole family. I feel like we're never going to get out of this ever again. If he gets us one more time, I think that's going to be it. There's no more of us. Don't say that. Hey, we've made it out. We could have died. All of us. Well, one of them. Well, only one. One of us. Well, only one did. I could have died. Yeah, me too, because he did cut me up pretty bad on my stomach. I'm surprised the other guy even made it. But now he's dead. It's only the 2 of us. We need to stop him. Now. I know. It's just... we can't stay in here for much longer. Stop it. We all know what happened to you. You worked at the slaughterhouse. You got fired from there. So then you killed the person. But that's wrong. We shouldn't kill people just because they do stuff that we don't like. That's wrong. That's wrong. We shouldn't do that. Please, just stop hurting people, and we'll leave you alone. Please, spare us. Please, spare me. Please, you don't have to do this. Please. No. Please. Don't do this to her. Please. Please. No. No, not. No. Not this again. Please. How dare you! I gotta jump out the window. I need to get out of here. Yes. There we go. I need to get out of here and tell someone. Directed by Toy Version Movies, Samantha Scafidi, Jennifer Henson, Tommy Hidden, 1995, based off 1995. Judy Pepper, Jennifer Henson,
The sun goes down and the moon comes up. I turn into a teenage goo-goo bug. Yeah, I cruise through the city and I roam the streets. Looking for something that is nice to eat. You better duck when I show up.